Tired of drowning in a sea of disorganization every time you open your Dropbox? Let's tackle that digital clutter head-on and transform your disorganized Dropbox into a streamlined powerhouse. First, we need to understand what's currently in there. Take a deep breath and scroll through your main Dropbox folder. Don't organize yet. Just identify the major themes and types of files that are scattered everywhere. Next, it's time to create a master plan. Think of broad categories that encompass most of your files. Common ones are work, personal, projects, photos, documents, and finances. These will be your top-level folders. Now, drag and drop your files into these newly created top-level folders. Don't worry about perfection at this stage. The goal is to get everything out of the root and into a designated parent folder. This is the biggest step towards seeing immediate improvement. Once your files are grouped into broad categories, start refining. Create subfolders within your main categories. For example, inside projects, you might have Client A, Client B, and internal projects. Be specific with your folder names. Clarity is key. Next, let's talk about tagging. Dropbox has a fantastic tagging feature. Use tags for things that might span across multiple folders, like urgent, archived, invoice, or specific client names. This allows you to find files even if they're in different locations. To make retrieval even faster, get into the habit of descriptive file naming instead of document.x. Try Project X Report Final 20,231,201 docx. Include dates and key identifiers. This, combined with your organized folders and tags, makes searching a breeze. Finally, create a routine for maintenance. Dedicate 15 minutes each week to file away new documents, delete old ones, and review your folder structure. Consistency is your secret weapon against future digital chaos. You've just transformed your cluttered Dropbox into an organized and efficient system.